Hello my dear English learners and welcome to our class and I hope you are doing well. So I just went to Daryaganj book market and filmed a blog for you, and I bought a very interesting books in just 50 rupees, 20 rupees, and the most expensive book I bought that was of 200 rupees. Funny, right? Yeah, these prices are real because I have just bought them and you can also buy. So please go and visit Daryaganj book market. It is open only on Sundays and you will find interesting books from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. I will recommend कि आप जब भी जाए always check with like Google check करके जाए, क्योंकि कोरोना all that timings differ कर जाती है, sometimes festivals की वजह से भी timing differ कर जाती है. That is a very busy place, so according so we are here in Daryaganj book market. As you can see, everywhere only the books, and as soon as I entered, the novels were selling in just 20 rupees. Can you believe? Only the books are here. So if you are a book lover, you must visit this place. See the stalls.
Mixing the earrings.
So you can see this book, The Intelligent Investor. Currently I am reading this book and I bought this book at least 3 years ago and I have just started reading it. So if you want to read this book, you can come and buy it. कितने की है ये? And in just 100 rupees you can buy. So I also bought it in just 100 rupees. Amazing collection. See, really amazing collection. I mean, you will find all kind of books here, each and every kind of. So from students to people who are preparing for the government exam and medical students, engineer students. This is like the hotspot for them. They come and buy books here. So this is another place and he's selling the novels in just 20 rupees. Which is amazing, right? So I'm going to pick one novel from here. Oh, so this book caught my eye and I'm going to buy it because I love reading novels. When I feel bored of reading, just to change my mind into reading, I just go with reading novels. So I'm buying it. But we have the huge collection. You can come and buy any book you want. So I'm in this shop right now and I bought this book. And I really wanted to read this one because I heard a lot of reviews and so I just bought it. So it's a great place. I must tell you, you must come and you can pick anything. So I just bought in 50 rupees. 50, 100, 20. Means all the variety of books you can find in just very, budget friendly prices. So you must come. So I have just bought 3 books right now and I'm really enjoying this experience, and I really want you all to come and visit this place and buy interesting books. And the idea of having books with me. So see this place and you will be really feeling like you have come to the heaven of books. So this is the place where I bought The Subtle Art of Not Giving slash in just 50 rupees. And this is a shop I bought one book for SSC exam, general awareness, for my cousin. So you can come and visit this place and really buy all kind of books here. So these are the collection for the kids. Beautiful collection to develop the writing skills, reading skills. Almost each kind of books are available here, and in a very good price, like 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees. We can buy books worth of 600, 700 rupees here.
नहीं अभी तक नहीं पड़ी कौन सी कौन सा वो पर्पल कलर में हाँ हाँ हाँ
Many books, right? Lot of books. So I got 8 books for me and I love them, and they are all in just 370 rupees. Why I'm forcing the price, I will just tell you, but before that please subscribe to this channel and like the video अगर आप interesting content पाते हैं, कुछ नया सीखते हैं. And let's jump into the video. So now I'm going to show you each and every book, why I bought it and how much I paid. So this is Ikigai. I don't know I'm pronouncing it right. This is the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. The price of the book is just 50 rupees I paid. Although the prices are written here in, in England currency, but I just paid 50 rupees. Why these prices are low? The reason is they are second-hand books, right? Okay. Now the next book I bought, and that is Robin Sharma, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. So I always wanted to read this book. I've heard a lot of good reviews, so isliye I bought this book, and in just 50 rupees. Nice. Now again, the Twin Flames, Divine Love and Reunion. So this book I picked it up from 20 rupees sale. Quite funny, right? But yes, we can buy a book in just 20 rupees. Now this book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving dash. So I also bought in just 50 rupees. Now Paulo Coelho, Adultery. So this book again I bought in just 50 rupees. Now Veronica Henry, this is a family recipe book kind of. This is the love story, and I always, like I mentioned, that I love to read interesting books when I feel bored of reading boring books, right? So sometimes a love story, a novel really changes your mind. So in just 50 rupees I got this beautiful, no, in just 20 rupees I got this book. Now Atomic Habits. अगर आप थोड़े से भी बुक रीडर है तो आपने इसका सजेशन या इस बुक को रीड करने का सजेशन जरूर लिया होगा या दिया होगा, राइट? So when I got interest from the suggestion, so I bought it, and this book was the most expensive. Can you imagine the price? Can you guess the price? Well, the MRP is in euros, England euros, but I paid only 80 rupees. And I'm Malala. I know I'm very late for reading this book, but I want to read the book about Malala and her life, the struggle she has gone through. And she's an inspiration to every girl, every person in this world कि आपको एजुकेशन लेनी है, एजुकेटेड होना है और आगे भी बढ़ना है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू रीड इट, एंड इस बुक को रीड करने के बाद शायद मैं एक रिव्यू वीडियो भी बनाऊं ताकि आप भी कुछ इंसाइट्स ले सके. एंड मुझे रिकमेंडेशन मिली है, and I'm recommending you to must read this book. Now these were the 8 books in just 370 rupees. I got the full collection. मेरा 2021 की preparation start हो गई है, okay? Okay, but I bought more things. Would you like to see what? Just wait. So the more things are here. Surprise! Right. So आप गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. इट्स गुड अगर आप कर रहे हैं, एंड इट्स वेरी गुड अगर आप उन एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन के लिए बुक्स दरियागंज बुक मार्केट से खरीदते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज दिस बुक MRP प्राइस इज 600 rupees, 599, बट आई जस्ट पेड 200 rupees, एंड दिस बुक will belong to my cousin. I bought it for her, and so see how thick the book is, and the insides, the includings are very good, and you can also buy in just 200 rupees. Very interesting, right? Good. Now 2 new notebooks I bought for my cousin, and they are just 30 rupees. One book for 30 and 2 for 60, and they are like quite thick, very good pages. The quality is quite good, so for note down, for diary entry, या आप journaling करते हैं या फिर आपको नोट्स लिखना है अपनी क्लासेस के, रियली यू विल फाइंड वेरी गुड रजिस्टर्स इन जस्ट 50, 100 rupees, even the big and very thick sizes. These are the medium, so I just paid 30 rupees for one book. So I hope आपने enjoy किया दरियागंज बुक मार्केट विजिट करना मेरे साथ. एंड नाउ आई वॉन्ट यू टू गो एंड बाय इंटरेस्टिंग बुक्स, या जो भी आपकी रीडिंग लिस्ट में बुक्स थी वो आप वहाँ से खरीदें. आई नो सारी नहीं मिलेंगी, बट यू विल फाइंड एटलीस्ट लाइक 50%, 20% ऑफ दोज बुक्स. सो आप अपना कलेक्शन बनाएं फॉर द कमिंग ईयर, फॉर द रीडिंग गोल्स के लिए. एंड ऑल्सो सेव द एनवायरमेंट, बिकॉज समहाउ हम सेकेंड हैंड मार्केट को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, प्लस वी आर सेविंग द ट्रीज, राइट? So with that all note, keep reading, keep learning, and keep improving yourself. And again, analyze करना मत भूलना अपने this previous year को. So soon we are ending this year, so it's time to analyze our goals and really make plans for the coming year. And with that all note, thank you so much for watching, and again subscribe and like this video अगर आपने कुछ interesting सीखा, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.